Back at it again with another mini vlog. Nature is therapeutic. Tara, samahan niyo ako dito sa The Forest Camp. Hala, ayaw niyo talaga tumigil, oh! The Forest Camp in Valencia Negros Oriental is a 3-hectare mountain resort, 20 to 30 minutes from Dumaguete City. This is famous for its natural river pools, scenery, and native accommodations. Yung tubig dito, sobrang fresh, mas fresh pa sa V-Fresh. Sobrang lamig, talaga namang manginginig ka. Literal nako. Ayan siya, aura now, nginig later. Pag-usapan naman natin yung sa entrance fee. Around 180 to 200 pesos per head for day visit. Kasama na dito yung unlimited swimming at unlinginig. Sa sobrang lamig talaga naman. Open daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for day tours. For accommodations, native-style family rooms and cottages are available. Often starting siya around 3,900 per night, with rooms including modern amenities, air conditioning, and balconies. Pwede nga dito ang solo travel with friends, barkadas, and family. And you can visit their Facebook page for more information. This is 9 swimming pool at chemical-free ito ha. They are using some filters para mas malinis at tuloy-tuloy ang agos nito. At may mga pool na mababaw din naman na sure akong abot ng mga bagets at may enjoy ng buong pamilya. They also have activities gaya ng rock climbing wall, skate park, zip lining, kawa o yung caldero hot baths, hanging bridge at meron silang small farm. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang photosuit. Laging meron yan, hindi pwedeng wala. Naligo na nga ako dito sa kawa. Akala ko yung kawa mainit. Grabe naman ang ninig ko dito. Pero napakasarap at refreshing talaga ng tubig dito. And don't worry, for food and dining, meron silang on-site restaurant, bar, and bakery na nagsiserve ng local and international cuisines. O diba, bongga! Take note, guests can also rent picnic tables and bring their own food. Oh, nag-enjoy ka na? Nakatipid ka pa. Kabog! May mga attractions that you can visit located just a few kilometers from major tourist spots, like the Casorro Falls and the Tierra Alta Lighthouse. Ito nga yung mga lugar na hindi namin napuntahan, kaya kayo, naku, puntahan nyo to ha. Listen to the sound of nature. At sobrang nakaka-relax nga ito ha. Sometimes all we want to hear is the sound of peace, quiet time, and reflection. Yung tipong tatanungin mo ang sarili mo, kamusta na ba ako? Okay pa ba ako? At syempre kung saan ako makakakuha ng 10 million. Baka naman meron ka dyan. Ayun lang. Salamat!